Hello, welcome. Friend, in this video we are going to learn delete command. So as we knew the delete command is DML operation, and whenever we have DML operation it's not auto commit. So we will see each and every point. So in this video we will see how we can delete a single record, even we how we can delete multiple records, we can delete records with condition, everything I will show you in this video only. So let's begin. So you can see DML commands comes under delete command comes under DML operation, so it's not auto commit, we have to do commit, and if we execute DML commands we can make a rollback of that. So let's begin on the videos. So here you can see this is our table. In the table we have records, right? And suppose if I want to delete all the record from table, what we need to do is that just I need to use delete command. Just delete from table name. So once I will execute, what it will do, it will delete all the records inside this table. So if I will execute, you can see all 5 records deleted. And if I will query, we don't have any records. So as I told you, delete command is comes under DML operation. It means it can be rollback. It's not auto commit. So once I will go roll back whatever data we have earlier, the same data will replay will available. Here you can see we have all the 5 records. So now we learn how we can delete all the records from table and roll back the data. Now it's time to delete a single record. So how we can delete a single record? So for deleting a single record, we require any condition. We require the column based on which column we want to delete the record. So suppose we have to delete the 5th record, as suppose we have to delete the record where ID as 1005. What we need to do is that we need to use delete from table name, and we have to add condition as where id is equals this one. So it will delete all the record which have the id as 1005. So if we have only one record which have id 1005, that record will be deleted. You can see record deleted. And now if I will query, you can see we have the records, we don't have the records. So as I told you, delete command is not auto commit. So once I will click on the rollback, the data will be rollback. So here you can see we have the 5th record. So whenever we will use delete command, we need to do commit. So once we will do commit, the data will not be rollback. So here you can see after commit, if I will see, we don't have data, right? If I will go and do rollback, we will not get data back as we have done the commit. So here we learn how we can delete a single record if we want to delete multiple records, right? So suppose I want to delete all the record which having the role as 2 and 3. So what I will do is that I will use delete from this table where role in I want to pass this to. So here I want to delete all the record from the table which having role as M00, MCA002 and 003. So once I will do enter, the 2 records will deleted. And if I will go and check the select from the table, you can see we don't have the the two record deleted from the table. Even we can delete the record based on the condition. What condition is that? Suppose I want to delete the record, delete from table where name is equals to this one, or email is equals to this one, something like that. Email is equals to this one, or and whatever you want. So you can say one record deleted. If I will query, we will not have the data. So this is the simple way we can use delete commands, how to delete data from the record and how to get the rollback data. Everything we have learned. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any other queries, you can make a comment, you can ask anything if you want, and don't forget to like the channel, like the videos, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much again.